Never feel sorry for who you are because your uniqueness is your strength. Hey guys, my name is Rushali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that why you should never feel ashamed for who you really are. Let's get into the video. See, there is a plenty of people outside who are not able to digest that the other person is just being themselves and they are having fun, because that person is not capable or confident enough to being who that person really is. So that is why that person will always try to put other people down. That person will always say bad things about the other person, because there is a lack of confidence, you can say, in that person, that that person is insecure about themselves. They are the people who are not ready to accept themselves. They are the people who don't have enough courage to accept themselves. They are not capable to accept that this is who really I am. And these type of people always try to put other people down. They will always find bad things about you. They will say bad words about you because they are incapable. These type of people will do everything to make you feel sad about yourself, because there is a hole inside them and they are not ready to accept themselves. So they also don't want you to accept yourself, and they also can't digest the fact that you are being who you are. So they will do everything to put you down. They will do everything to shake your confidence. But does other people's opinion should affect you? No, because they are not fact. All the facts about yourself, other people's opinion matter? No. You know your worth, you know your weakness, you know your strength. You are the person who really knows everything about you. So how does the other person who have nothing to do with you, the words, though that people words can affect you? That shouldn't be, because you are the only person who know your worth, and that person opinion shouldn't be matter. We can take an example of, there are people outside who speak really loud, okay, and the person who don't speak loud and the person who is insecure will always point out that person who speaks loud, because they feel that this person is being confident and I don't have that confidence, so I have to put that person down. So that person will always, with the very bad behavior, bad words, will do everything to put you down, and they'll be like, don't speak that loud, don't you have manners, who speaks like this? Confident people speak like this. The person who have believe in themselves speak like this, right? If you are a person who speak out of your heart, speak loud, go for it. If someone is telling you to stay calm and speak slow, you should tell that people to go away from you, like go far away from you, like so that they won't be able to hear you. That's it. This is all you can say, and this is all they can do. Never let that person bring you down. If someone is telling you to stay calm and don't speak loud, don't let them. See, every person have their perfection or their imperfections. So how can you judge other people about all their imperfections? And if someone is judging you by your imperfections, then why you are letting them, and if they are, then why you are bothered? Because you are the person who know your perfections, you are the person who know your worth, you are the person who knows your strength. Then why you are letting these other stupid peoples judge you? And if they are judging you, these words shouldn't be affect you. And never ever try to fit in a certain criteria. Never ever. You will lose yourself completely. You will drain yourself. Never ever let these other people tell you to do that, or never ever let your inner self to, let yourself compare to the other person. Everyone have their different qualities, their different like perfections. Everyone is perfect on their own way. No one is perfect, no one is imperfect. Everyone have their different qualities. So if you think that this person is perfect and we all should be like them, that is not the truth. That person is perfect because that person is being who that person really is. You have to do that. You have to accept yourself and be who you really are. Don't think that this person is doing this, I should also do this. This is the way of success. If this person is look certain way, I have to look in that certain way, because this is the way of success. If someone have a certain type of body, I also have to get that certain type of body, because this is the way of success. No, you should always do what is good for you. You don't have to fit in expectations. You don't have to fit in a criteria. You don't have to listen. You don't have to do what other people are saying. All you have to do is be you. You have to listen to yourself. You have to do things what is really good for you. You don't have to compare yourself with other people, because other person is who that person is and you are who you are. God has created both of you as different human being. Then why you are trying really hard to being one person? No, you don't have to. You don't have to look like same. You don't have to wear same. You don't have to eat same. You don't have to do same stuff. If you are unique, you are different, stay as you are, because that is your strength. And always feel confident about who you are. Always. Because you are perfect the way you are. You are enough for yourself. You are so beautiful. You are everything that you need. You don't have to fit in people's expectations. And the day you start listening to yourself, the day you start to do things for yourself, you will build the type of confidence that no one can break. No one can shake you. You should feel so much confident about yourself, so much confident that if someone like came to you, that person should feel without words, feel your confidence. That person should feel your confidence, that this person is so confident about who that person is, and I can't say anything bad about that person. I can't say all the bad things about this person, because this person is so enough for himself. That person is so confident about who this person really is. You should feel that much confident about you. Don't ever compare your journey with other person, with anyone, because everyone have their unique, beautiful journeys. Everyone is a different human being on this earth. So the journeys has to be different and unique. Why you are trying so hard to be someone else? That person already exists. You do who you really are. If you try to become someone else, all you become is a shadow, nothing else, because that person already exists. And if you don't want to become someone else's shadow, you have to be you. You have to accept yourself, you have to be happy, and you have to feel confident about yourself, because you are so perfect, so beautiful, so unique the way you are. And yeah, never feel sorry about who you are. Never. Let your character, your body language, your confidence speaks about you louder for who you are, not the other person's opinion. Other people's opinion doesn't define your worth. Your confidence, your body language, your success define who you really are. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.